Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can push your local project to your GitHub repository. For this you need to go your GitHub repository. If you don't have any repository, you just create by sign up with your Google account. Here we can see the plus icon in the top. Just click on it. Click new repository. Give a name of your repository. So I'll give you okay. So you don't need to give description. Just create repository. Okay. So now come to your project directory. Make sure you are in the project directory. So now just type git init. Click enter. Okay. Now git add all. It means you save your all project changes. Now click enter. Okay. Here is just a warning. You can ignore it. Now git commit -m and give a message like initial push. Click enter. Now you can see your git branch. So just click git branch. Here you can see we are in now master branch. So we need to shift from master branch to main branch. So for that we will type git branch -m main. Okay. If now we see git branch, here you can see we are in now main branch. So now come to your repository and just copy this line and paste it here. Also copy that line, git push -u origin main and paste it here. Now all changes push to our GitHub repository. So if we go in our repository, just refresh the page, you will see that our project successfully show in our GitHub repository. So thank you.